down, glasses all the way down, please, glasses all the way down, so loud to see down below. There's a lot of pictures, all this stuff down below. Alright, go right in, go right in, go right in, go right in, go right in.
Before we begin, a big Zootopia Day thank you to our event sponsors. Burger, cake and a broccoli meal today. Mr. Pete's limo service. Whether you're riding in the back seat or in the trunk, we don't ask questions. And
Right, mammals, this is it. Please, no flash pictures or video lighting during the watch party. Our nocturnal friends, thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws, stomp your hooves. I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2,
Special live performances from across Zootopia. An unforgettable concert finale from superstar Preshow. And your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Oh. Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, my lucky guest.
Oh,
No, the slot.
Me?
Whatever. Come on up.
I'm out of shape.
And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Making you legally responsible, that's totally standard. Okay.
Oh, this one.
No,
That
careful.
one?
The flashing
I'm
one.
really bad at this.
Please don't miss camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Hooray for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
we need you to fill in for Heidi.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay. Oh, Tundra Town. No. Oh, there it is. Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashmo. Kozlov.
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects.
5 snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow.
Did you do this?
I have no idea. Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Who produced this? Detectives Hobson Wild investigating the disruption.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter together. Oh, my spot!
just straight up, why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Carrots, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you.
What? Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bubba.
Bubba, bubba, bubba.
Hey, bubba.
Hey, bub. Bubba, bubba.
Hey, bub.
See who did this?
Seriously? Wool? It was clogged with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Blauhauser?
Little rodentia!
Time to make like a tree hand.
Bark!
What?
Let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shrimp Angels! Hi! It's your girl, Frou Frou! In Little Rodentia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute!
You're looking to get iced?
Daddy! Oh my god!
Oh, look out! Miss Frou Frou, hang on!
Good luck, lady! Really? Thank you!
Donuts do save lives.
Carrots? I am shocked.
Gee, I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
We're in pursuit.
Zootopia! It's dance, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move, you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo!
Blauhauser,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief!
Hey!
Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, you think his hat has a lot of flies? You should see it.
Wait!
Oh no! Gazelle Cricket! Hey!
That's it!
Gazelle!
Hey! Blauhauser, beware of...
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh! Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, sheep.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Oh, Gazelle!
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, VIC.
The best day ever!
Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I can
Dream a dream. Make a wish upon a whisker as a team.
Here we go.
Joining up as brothers.
Sister, put your paw in mine.
We're pouncing toward a better day.
Yikes.
Tails intertwined. We raise our hearts up and we say,
Really?
So as we start this collective
We are together now.
hop on our train of thought. Toot toot.
I think they've seen a lot.
Great.